Let's go! Dali, ulit. Sirin mo sa dagat, kain mo sa lupa. Balakap, pasingan magsabay. Dali mo ay magsabay sa mga tao. Sa dagat, kain mo sa lupa, ay patagam.
Olivia, malapit ka ba tayo sa rest house?
Oo nga! Don't worry, Marie. Mga 10 minutes na lang at makakarating na tayo.
Mga 10 minutes? May isang bahay wala akong makita dito. How's even possible? I found it amusing that you answered a question, but you didn't live in America. Dance ka lang ba talaga? Panga.
Being a beach, pwede. Sana hindi ka na lang sumama. Kaunti ka na lang talaga, makakatikin ka na.
Oh, please, Justin, as if naman na makakaya mo.
Sumulong ko.
Tama na yan, Justin. Pabayaan mo lang si Marie, please. Baka excited lang yan. Right, Marie?
Pwede ba? Bakit naman ako ma-excited sa vacation na to? Sumama lang ako kasi Ken is here. Baka maagawan pa.
Alam mo ba, Marie, sana mas madalas mo ginagamit yung utak mo kaysa bunganga mo, nakakainis ka.
Ayun na pala yung bahay, oh. Oo nga, no?
Yes, finally!
Anong sabi ni Olivia sa'yo? Di ba mga 10 minutes lang? Sa susunod kasi, kung nagtanong, tanggapin yung sagot. Kapuya. Yes!
Ay, salamat.
This looks creepy.
April, ang sama mo. Alam mo bang may buhay rin ang tangkang pinatay mo? Alam mo ba yon?
Pinapunta ko sa heaven.
Oh my God, I'm leaving.
Akin na nga yan, Marie. May rule tayong sinat at pinag-usapan. Bawal lumabag. At isa pa, huwag kang pa-feeling importante.
Alam mo ba ang mahal yon?
Gusto mo bilhan pa kita ng isang tambak na cellphone pagbalik natin?
Tama na yan, guys. Tama na yan. Tama na yan.
Oh, ready na ba ang lahat?
Top lang ba talaga tayo dito?
Yeah. Pag meron kayong hot na meal dito or something, ah.
No, 12 lang talaga tayo. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, provided lahat ng supplies natin, kaya hindi tayo magugutom.
That's good, Marie. How's the communication?
Huwag mag-alala dyan, meron tayong working telephone in case of emergencies. Okay. Okay. Who wants to play crayons?
I'm sorry guys, I cannot play. I feel dizzy. I want to rest. I'll go somewhere to sleep.
Nah.
Okay, April, take care.
I'll pass too. I need to have some time with my baby Kenny.
So everyone's okay now?
Yes.
So let's start. So now, I have 6 colors with me. Each of the colors have different meaning and word. Red, you have to tell a truth. Brown, you have to do a dare. Violet, you can make a rule. Green, you can dare someone. Blue, you have to tell the person you didn't like in the group. Black, kill. Just kidding. Black is your biggest secret. Is everyone in?
Yes.
Who wants to go first? I'll go first. I got brown.
Since I love you, your dare is to go to the attic and get something interesting.
Okay, okay.
Is knife the only thing interesting in the basement?
That's enough. Let's continue.
I told you I love you. I can't live without you. But look what you did. You make me feel ashamed to myself.
No, that's not what I mean. Your attitude is just too much, Marie. I'm so tired of understanding you.
Are you okay, Marie? Do you want me to listen to you?
Okay, just leave me alone.
Okay, everything will be alright.
How's the drama queen?
Don't talk to her like that. She's our friend. Let's just continue our game. Who wants to go next?
I'll suggest my. Okay, I'm in. I got color red.
You have to tell the truth.
The truth is, I couldn't live without you, everyone.
Is that even acceptable? Give us another. You know that?
No!
Okay, let's move on. I'll go next. I got black.
You need to kill someone. Just kidding. Your biggest secret.
Si Marie!
Who did this? Is it you? You?
What happened, everyone?
You?
What? I didn't even know what happened!
You killed Marie April. Huwag mo nang itanggi.
Che, you're manipulating everyone. The first one to be investigated is you.
No! No! I didn't do anything! I'm innocent! Si Olivia! Si Olivia! Siya ang pumatay! Nakita ko!
Don't make everyone a fool, friend. Para maging inosente ka. Olivia is playing with us. And it's impossible. Ano? Kaluluwa niya pumunta doon habang katawan naglalaro? Just say the truth, April!
No! I didn't do anything! Don't blame me on Marie's death! Si Olivia, patudahan niyo!
Why, Marie? Are you mad at me? If you, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Hindi naman eh, ang bat-bat mo. Para ka anghel sa grupo. Neither in the group suspected you, kahit sinabi kong ikaw.
Because it's the truth. I didn't kill Marie. Why would you insist I kill Marie?
Alam ko na hindi ikaw. Naluwa ka sa kanila. Expected na naman, hindi sila maniniwala. Kaya congrats, may tiwala sila sa'yo.
Guys, sino sa tingin nyo ang gumawa niyan? I didn't have an idea. Maybe April?
Maybe not. It's impossible. If she's the killer, then she will not stay in their room.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
It's already dark and late. Everyone, let's take a nap first and talk tomorrow.
That's a good idea, but who wants to go with me outside have some fresh air?
It's so dark outside.
We'll not go far, just a little distance.
I'll pass.
I'll pass.
I'll pass.
Pass.
So, guys, want to come with me?
Me.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Mag-ingat kayo sa loob. Baka may mumu dyan at baka makicks kayo.
I think it's a good idea to stay here just for tonight. Look, maganda rito ang nakakalma.
Let's do a bonfire. I'll go get a tent para may mahigaan tayo.
I'll go to you. Tulungan na kita. Okay. Guys, andito na yung tent, oh. This one. This.
Do you have any idea, guys, who killed Marie?
What if ikaw yung pumatay, April?
Is that a nice joke, Kenley?
Or maybe ikaw, Kinley.
Nag-away kasi kayo before siya namatay. Ano? Ayusin mo yung pananalita mo, Gerard, ha?
Stop it, guys.
Hindi nga akong pumatay. What are you gonna do now?
The line are off and the car is gone now.
What?
Yes, it's all gone now.
I'll sleep in the tent. I'll go now.
I'll do the same.
I'll do the same.
Boys, doon naman tayo matutulog.
Sige.
Tara na. Tara.
Olivia, wake up. Bumangon ka na dyan. We make breakfast, remember? Maybe Richa have gone ahead of us.
Okay, I'm going up already. Good morning. Have you guys eaten?
Nah, no one has gotten up and gone home yet.
Wake them up, April, and let's go home now. What time already? We haven't prepared breakfast yet.
Tara, let's pack our things na here and let's go home.
Uy, tawag kayo dun, no? Tulungan niyo sila.
Ayan.
It's locked!
Wait, what?
What happened? Imposibleng lock yan. Nakapasok pa kayo dito kagabi nung kinuha yung mga gamit niyo.
Oo, pero after that, maayos na may sinara.
Totoo, it's weird. Alangan naman ilalak yan nila, May. Eh, nagpapahinga sila kahapon sa loob. Itsinahit pa nga namin ang sobrang himbing ng tulog.
Oo, wag na kayo magtalo-talo. Pagtulungan na natin to para mabuksan na.
Nakabala dito, tabi-tabi. 1, 2, ready.
Wait, si Kiami! Nasaan si Kiami?
Yami!
Yummy!
Yami!
Kiami!
Yummy!
May! May! Rich!
Hey,
Justin!
look, there's a paper.
What's that?
Is this the name of the killer?
Are you dumb? Gather your brain cells, idiot.
Hook!
Wait. I get it! It's attic. Look!
Attic? Wait, what's the meaning of this? Are you stupid? Let's go to the attic!
Let's go, guys! Yami! Yami! Wait up!
Kiami!
1, 2, ready, go! Yami! 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 Yami, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Kiami!
Yami!
Ang baho!
Poison gas! Cover your nose! Labas! Olivia! Tara!
Everyone, kita niyo ba si Olivia?
Iwan. Hindi namin nakita.
Nasaan ba?
Nasaan?
Baka nasa taas!
You all just wait here. Mabalikan ko siya sa taas.
Wag na! Baka may trap sa taas!
Okay, may plano tayo dito. You all just wait to the exit point and babalik lang ako.
You can keep pretending everything is fine. This is bullshit!
Paano na tayo kukurutahin? Bawal tayo magkamali.
Inuman na tayo ng tubig.
Let's go.
Guys, I found Olivia!
Akala mo, buhay pa sila?
I knew it. You are the killer.
It's so easy to guess. I'm waiting too long. I gave all my class, but all of you are stupid. You're so kind to Olivia. What happened to you? Kind? All of you know that I didn't have a parent. Diba? I'm so lost before you arrived. I thought you would become a family, but no, you didn't even come to my 18th birthday. Sino kayang pumatay kang Marie?
Pero sa akin si Olivia siya, nandun sa kwarto kasama eh.
Pero sa akin naman si April.
Nakakatakot naman kanina. Di natin malaman kung sino pumatay.
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
Nakakatrauma, pero nga ito yung worst bakasyon natin.
Parang gusto ko nang umuwi.
Kaya dapat hindi tayo maghihiwalay. Dapat sama-sama tayo para alam natin kung anong gagawin. Parang gano'n na nga.
Pero kung nasa atin yung killer, what if?
Wala naman siguro sa atin, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Di ba? Sure. Di ba?
Sure. Basta ako, wala akong ginagawa masama. Dito ako para tumulong para sa project natin.
Guys, naamin niyo ba yung naaamoy ko?
Uy, ayos ka lang. Ayos ka lang.
Sakit ang ulo ko.
Uy, kamusta kayo?
Ano nangyari sa inyo?
Sakit ng ulo ko.
Boy ka. Ayos ka lang, boy. Sakit ang ulo ko. Rits, gumising ka na, Rits.
Guys, ang ulo ko. Guys.
Oh, boy.
Dugo! Akala mo mapapatay mo ko? Masaya ko dahil namatay ka rin.
Sir, merong bangkay dito. How could this happen? Our daughter! This is a massacre. How could this happen? It's from